Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple remedy you can prepare in the comfort of your home. This remedy is going to help you to get rid of any kind of scars and wrinkles from your face. This remedy is a face mask that you can prepare for yourself that will help nourish, moisturize and give you a glowing and younger look. So if this is your first time stopping by, please help click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and if you find this video interestingly useful, share it with your friends and loved ones and give us a huge thumbs up. Honey is going to help fasten the healing of the scars and wounds and acne from your face. Honey is rich in antibacterial, antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that is going to help get rid of any kind of germs and inflammation from your face. Honey is going to help moisturize and nourish your face. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is rich in anti-inflammatory properties. It contains toning properties too. It's going to help stimulate the flow of blood and it's going to help reduce any puffiness and darkness under your eye. It's going to get rid of any kind of fine lines and blemishes from your face. It's going to get rid of any kind of inflammation on your face. This turmeric powder is going to help hydrate and revitalize your skin. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is rich in enzymes. It helps repair any dead skin cells. It's going to help get rid of any kind of inflammation, any blemishes and fine lines. It's going to help soothe your skin and get rid of any kind of wrinkles from your skin. It's going to help promote the growth of your skin. It's going to help promote the tissues, give them a healthier and steady growth. It's going to rejuvenate your skin and prevent any kind of breakage on your skin. Rice flour. Rice flour is rich in carbohydrates, is rich in vitamins and minerals that is going to help soothe your skin. This flour is going to serve as the exfoliant that will help get rid of all the dead skin cells from your skin. It's going to help promote the growth of new and fresh tissues. It's going to get rid of all the wrinkles from your face and give you a smooth, radiant and glowy skin. Take 1 tablespoon of our turmeric powder, we'll add 1 tablespoon of our rice flour, just wash it, then I'll extract the gel from it. So guys, here we have our gel. We'll just match that up. So guys, our gel is ready. So we'll take that out into our mixing bowl. to take 2 tablespoons of honey. This is 1 tablespoon. And that's the 2nd tablespoon. Mix everything together gently to get a very nice and fine paste. The face mask is ready. You just apply this on your skin twice a week. You massage all of this richness, this goodness, this nourishing and moisturizing face mask all over your face. You massage into your skin pores in a circular motion gently. Massage gently into your skin pores. You leave this on for 15 minutes till completely dry. After 15 minutes, you wash it off with warm water. This face mask is going to help nourish, moisturize, and revitalize your skin. It's going to help get rid of any acne and dark scars from your face. It's going to help rejuvenate your face and give you that glowing and toned skin. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give us a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button below, and turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. And please share this video with your friends. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.